Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making Nandos style chicken. Nandos peri peri sauce 5 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Sweet paprika 2 tablespoon. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Chicken 750 grams. Marinate for 6 hours or whole night. Peri peri masala 3 tablespoon. Spray oil. Fry on medium heat for 20 minutes or until both sides done. Boiled sweet corn. French fries. Nando's peri peri sauce. Thanks for watching. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.